Bonjour, this is Les Nationalités from March 24th. You're with a group of students from all over the world. Indicate their nationalities according to the cities from which they come. So like Monique est de Paris, and elle est française. Les amis Fumiko et Keiko sont de Tokyo. So there's two of them, so elles sont. Tokyo is in Japan. Japonaises, and we have to put the E because they're girls and an S because they're plural. So elles sont japonaises. Hans est de Berlin. So Hans, he's a guy, so let's put il. Et Berlin is in Berlin, Germany, so il est allemand. Juan and Pablo are from Guadalajara. Guadalajara is in Mexico, so ils sont Mexique. Oops. Let me an accent there. Bon. And remember, don't capitalize the nationalities there. Wendy est de Londres, so elle est, put anglais. But wait, she's a girl, so put anglaise with an E. Jared est de San Francisco. San Francisco is in California, so il est américain. Il est américain. Francesca est de Rome. Rome is in Italy, so elle est italienne. Oops, I can't do it. Alright, Italian. Extra N-E because she's a girl. Italienne. Salim et Mehdi sont de Casablanca. If you didn't know, Casablanca is in Morocco. And again, you could Google these places. Kind of nice to know. So two guys, ils sont Marocains. Oh, but what do I need? Marocain? I need an S because they're plural. So ils sont Marocains. Jean-Pierre et Mario sont de Québec. So two guys, ils sont Québécois. Okay. Québécois. And it already ends in an S, so don't add another S. So let's see how we did. Oh no. I think I put they are Mexico and not they are Mexican. Whoops. Oh no. Let's see what happened there. All right. Rough day. So, I don't want to say they are Mexico. I want to say they are Mexican. Mexican. There we go. I did the country instead of the nationality. So Mexican. And ils sont Marocains. Let's see. Oops, sorry. And then I see for Marocain, I need an A there. Marocain. And you guessed it. Québécois. I need another accent. So Québécois. Let's see what happens. So Marocain. Québécois, Mexicain. Yay, there we go. Elles sont japonaises. Il est allemand. Ils sont mexicains. Elle est anglaise. Il est américain. Elle est italienne. Ils sont marocains. And ils sont québécois. Now we're going to look at nationalités from March 24th. It starts out with what nationalities are these people? Write sentences according to the model. Like Carole in France, so Carole est française. Bob et Jim. I think they wanted just to leave the names there. So Bob et Jim. Now is it sont or a? Carole est, but Bob et Jim sont. And they are Americains. And you add an S because they're plural. Americain. Amani et Ahmed, two people. So again, it's sont. And Senegal is the place. It's Senegalese. Senegalais, because it's two guys. It already ends in an S. Trevor. Right, Trevor is a, and he's from England, so anglais. Trevor est anglais. Francine is from Quebec, so Francine est Québécoise. Québécoise. Put an E there because she's a girl. Francine. Whoops, I think I misspelled that. Francine est Québécoise. And Monica est, now she's from Germany, so she is Allemande. And Maria Luisa, it's hyphenated, so it's just one person. Maria Luisa est, and how do you say Italian for a girl? Italienne. Italienne, you got it. So Italienne. And Françoise et Jean-Philippe. Francois. Sorry, Francois is the boy. Et Jean. Two people, so sont, and they're from France, so they are Français. Like that, yeah. Sont Français. And you can't add an S when you already have an S there. Gabriella is one person, so A. And she not, I don't want to say is Mexico this time. I want to say she is Mexican. Mexican with an E, we hope. And Yoko et Keiko are two people, so sont. And Japonaise. Check it out. You have to put an E because they're girls, and an S because they're plural. So Japonaise, Japonaise. And Paul, oops, A, from Canada, so Canadien. All right, let's see what happened here. Yay, Américain, Sénégalais, Anglais, Québécoise, Allemande, Italienne, Français, Mexicaine, Japonaise, and Canadien. Right, très bien.